the ultimate guide to using Coursera efficiently and affordably for maximum learning outcomes. Coursera is a powerful online learning platform offering thousands of courses from top universities and organizations worldwide. While it provides paid options, there are strategies to access high-quality education for free or at a minimal cost while optimizing your learning experience with the least effort. This guide will help you minimize costs while accessing top-quality courses, maximize learning efficiency using the least effort, leverage Coursera credentials for career growth. Step 1. Setting up an optimal Coursera experience. Create an account. Visit Coursera.org, t-coursera.org, and sign up using your email or Google account. Choose a professional-looking username if you plan to share your credentials on LinkedIn or resumes. Define your goals. Ask yourself, do I want to gain a certificate for career advancement? Do I only want to learn without needing a certificate? Am I looking for job-relevant skills or general knowledge? This will help you decide whether to go for free learning options or invest in a certificate. Step 2. Accessing courses for free. Coursera offers many ways to take courses without paying full price. Hash auditing courses for free. Most Coursera courses have an audit option, allowing you to access video lectures and some materials without paying. Steps to audit a course for free. 1. Search for a course. 2. Click on the course title, not the enroll button. 3. Scroll down and look for Audit the course under the enrollment options. 4. Click Audit to access the content for free. Limitations of auditing. No graded assignments or certificates. Some course materials might be locked. Applying for financial aid. Get courses and certificates free. If you need full course access plus a certificate but want it for free, apply for financial aid. Steps to apply for financial aid. 1. Click on the course you want. 2. Click Financial Aid Available below the Enroll button. 3. Fill out the application. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Answer why you need aid, e.g., I'm a student professional in need of financial support. State how this course will benefit your career. 4. Wait for approval, 2 weeks. Once approved, you get full free access plus certificate. Coursera for university students. If you're a university student, check if your school offers free Coursera access. Many universities partner with Coursera to give students access to paid courses for free using Coursera Plus free trial. Coursera Plus, $59 a month or $399 a year, gives unlimited certificates. If you only need 1 month, use the free trial. 1. Start a Coursera Plus free trial. 2. Complete your course quickly within 7 days. 3. Cancel before trial ends to avoid being charged. Step 3. Learning efficiently with minimal effort. Your goal is to complete courses quickly while absorbing key concepts. Watch videos at 1.5x or 2x speed. Coursera allows you to change video playback speed. Pro tip, watch at 1.5x speed to learn faster without losing comprehension. Skim read transcripts instead of watching videos. Each video has a transcript. Instead of watching long lectures, skim through transcripts for key points. Use AI summaries for course material. Copy and paste lecture transcripts into AI tools like ChatGPT to get concise summaries. This saves hours of video watching. Use assignment hints and forums. Coursera allows limited retakes of graded quizzes. Use the discussion forum to get help and hints from others. Google assignment questions if stuck. Coursera answers are often shared online. Skip assignments unless needed. If you don't need a certificate, skip assignments to save effort. If you do need a certificate, focus only on required assignments. Step 4. Maximizing Coursera for career growth. A Coursera certificate is only useful if you leverage it correctly. Add certificates to LinkedIn and resume. Once you earn a certificate, immediately add it to your LinkedIn profile under Licenses and Certifications. On your resume, list relevant Coursera courses under Education or Skills. Use Coursera courses to pass job assessments. Many job applications now include skills tests. If applying for data science, business, or programming jobs, Coursera courses can prepare you for real-world job assessments. Get college credit from Coursera. Some courses offer college credit, ACE credit, which can count toward a degree. If you're a student, check if your school accepts credit transfers. Step 5. choosing the best Coursera courses. Not all courses are worth your time. Choose wisely. Look for highly rated courses. Sort by bestseller to find popular courses. Read reviews. Avoid courses with low ratings. Take career-focused courses. Best Coursera categories for job growth. Business and management, project management, leadership, data science and AI, Python machine learning, marketing and SEO, digital marketing, Google Ads, programming and tech, web dev, cybersecurity. Use specializations for comprehensive learning. Some courses are part of specializations, multi-course programs. If your goal is deep learning, enroll in a specialization rather than a single course. Conclusion. Summary of optimal Coursera strategy. Use free auditing to learn without cost. Apply for financial aid to get full access and certificates for free. Leverage Coursera Plus free trial for quick course completion. Use video speed controls, transcripts, and AI summaries to learn faster with less effort. Add certificates to LinkedIn and resumes for career benefits. Prioritize high-rated, career-focused courses to maximize job impact. By following this strategy, you'll spend little or no money, learn efficiently, and gain maximum career benefits with the least effort possible. If you enjoyed this ultimate guide to courses, be sure to check out our other videos. From mastering online learning strategies to choosing the best career-boosting courses, we've got everything you need to level up your skills with minimal effort. Want to discover more cost-saving hacks, career-enhancing certifications, or expert learning tips? Then hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have a favorite Coursera course or a learning tip that worked for you? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Now go ahead and check out our next video. We'll see you there.